Now this is a bit different again. We have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Now what is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle? Remember, perimeter is adding up all these sides. So it is 2 times of length times breadth. Sorry, not length times breadth. Length plus breadth. We're doing adding up because it's perimeter. Okay, we're adding up all the sides. Okay, before we go into the calculation, let's label the rectangle, okay? So if this side is 8 cm, the long side here, this side is also 8 cm because they're opposite each other. This 8 cm. Now this short side, the breadth, 3 cm. This side is also 3 cm. Okay? So we can add 3 plus 8 plus 3 plus 8, adding all them up. Or we can also use this formula, which is 2 times of length plus breadth. So first I'm going to add length plus breadth, which is equals to, the long side is length, 8 cm, plus short side, which is 3 cm. And that will give me 8 plus 3 is 11 cm. So this is step number 1. Step number 2, we're going to multiply by 2. So I take 11 cm multiplied by 2 equals to, okay, if you need help, you can do working. 11 times 2, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 1 again is 2. 22. It's 22 cm. Okay, perimeter of this rectangle is 22 cm. If it's all okay, let's move on to question 4. Okay, let me zoom out a bit. Okay. Okay, I'm going to read the question. The perimeter of the rectangle is 28 cm. Its breadth is 5 cm. What is the length of the rectangle? So they've told us that the perimeter is 28 cm. And this figure is a rectangle. The breadth is 5 cm. Okay, so they have labeled here 5 cm. If it's a rectangle, that means opposite sides are equal. And okay, I'm going to highlight this, the outside, so that I remember that perimeter is the outside. And this outside is 28 cm. They've told us that this is 5 cm, and now we need to know the long side, the length. This is our question mark. Okay. We can go back to our visual from the visuals book. Now we're going to use this pink part because we are talking about rectangles now, and they've given us the perimeter, right? They've told us the perimeter, and we need to find an unknown side. Okay, so the steps are, first divide perimeter by 2. After that, we will subtract what is given, either the length or the breadth. Okay, let's go back to our question. Okay, so step number 1, we will divide. Okay, so perimeter will be divided by 2. This is step 1. After that, we will subtract either the length or breadth that has been given. Okay, so step number 1, we divide perimeter, which is 28 cm, divided by 2. What will we get? Okay, we can do working over the side. 28 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, very simple, it's just 1. 1 times 2 gives us 2. Subtract it, get 0. Bring down the 8. 8 divided by 2, easy, 2, 4, 6, 8. It's just 4. 4 times 2 gives us 8. We take that away from 8 and we get 0. Okay, so 28 divided by 2 is 14. 28 cm divided by 2 equals to 14 cm. Okay, so they are done with step 1. Now let's do step 2. We're going to subtract away the given length of breath. In this question, they've given us the breadth is 5 cm. So we take 14 minus away 5 cm to get the length. Because this 14 is actually one group of length plus breadth. And we want to remove away the breadth. We don't want the breadth because we want to find the length. Okay, that's why we minus it away. 14 minus 5 equals to 9 cm. So the length of the rectangle is 9 cm.